Hello, welcome to BTH. In this video I introduce how to create a new smart TV on Windows 11. To create a smart TV you use a hypervisor. The hypervisor used in this case is VirtualBox. This is a free hypervisor. You download and install just like any other regular software. After completing the installation of VirtualBox, you download the image of the smart TV to your Windows computer. I put the link in the description. You will receive a file with the extension OVIA. Next, open the VirtualBox hypervisor and import the downloaded file. You browse to the file downloaded in the previous step and import it into the VirtualBox hypervisor. It will take about 1 minute to complete. And this is the smart TV on the virtualizer VirtualBox. You customize the hardware for this virtual machine. The default memory of this virtual machine is 2 GB. You can increase the memory for a better experience. If you want to control this smart TV with your phone, you should set up the network in bridge mode. Now you turn on the smart TV. Next, you set up for the first time to boot like other physical TVs. You connect the keyboard to the virtual machine to be able to enter text and control the TV. You connect to the internet for the virtual machine. After the virtual machine is connected to the internet, log into your Google account for a better Android TV experience. As mentioned, you connect the keyboard to the virtual machine to be able to enter text. Followed by other settings for Android TV like name, location, assistant and more. Here I name this TV Android TV. And here is the result, an interface of an Android TV appears. I open the YouTube app like a physical TV. You use the keyboard to control this TV. Use the navigation key to move. Use the Enter key to open the application. Use the ESC key to exit the application. Next, I install a new app in the Play Store. There are many apps that can be installed. Here I choose VLC. Because the TV is connected to the internet, you can install the application, watch YouTube. So with the VirtualBox hypervisor you can turn your Windows computer into an Android TV. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and help me 10,000 subscribe. Good luck.